All right, for problem number 26, we're asked to solve. Solve means to get the letter by itself. So I'm going to start by putting a line going through the equal signs. That'll make it easy to separate this side of the equation from this side of the equation. And I notice that I've got p's on both sides. And so when that happens, if I want to solve, I want to get all of the p's over here or all of the p's over here. So I always move whichever pile is smaller, and I suggest you should do the same as well. So the 2p's is the smaller pile. So this is a positive 2p, so the opposite would be to subtract those 2p's, and that's how we'll move them over to this side. So these p's cancel out. The only thing left over here is negative 6. And then over here we have 4p take away 2p, so that would be 2p. Plus we also have an 8 over here. Okay, so we want to get this p by itself, and that means that we're going to have to take the 2 and bring it over here. We're also going to have to take this 8 and bring it over here. We always move the one that's not connected to the letter first. The 2 is connected to the p, but the 8 is not connected to the p. So the 8's the one we'll move first. The opposite of a plus 8 would be to subtract 8. So I'm going to go minus 8, minus 8. Okay, so negative 6 take away 8 is negative 14. And then over here we have 2p, and these 8's canceled out, so I won't write that down. And now to get the p by itself, the only thing that has to move is I got to move that 2 over to the other side. And so this is 2 times p. The opposite of timesing or multiplying is to divide. So I'll move the 2 by dividing each side by 2. Okay, so what do we have left over here? So negative 14 divided by 2 is negative 7. And then these 2's cancel out, so I just have p by itself. So I've solved now. P equals negative 7. Typically we write the letter on this side and the number on that side. So I'm going to swap that around, and this is how I'm going to write my answer. Great work. Thanks for following along.